Hey, good day YouTube. Today I wanted to do a cold start on my Manco Vortex 169 cc Subaru engine, 6.5 horsepower. It's been sitting for 2 weeks. I haven't started or messed with it or anything. Just wanted to do a cold start today. I did some research on this, and it turns out it's a 2004 Manco Vortex. I bought this about a month ago, and the guy said it ran when parked, and it was sitting in his garage. And it's a 6.5 horsepower Subaru engine, and tell you the truth, this little thing runs like a champ. When I got it, all I did was put new fuel in it, and what else did I do? That's it. Turned the gas on and it cranked up. So, and the guy said it's set for like a full year. So just wanted to do a cold start on it. And again, here's my hand on the muffler. It has not ran in about 2 weeks. So all right, here we go. Here's the cold start. So we got gas on, choke on, and let's see how many pulls it'll take. I'll mess with the throttle a little bit. Let's see how many pulls it takes to start this baby up. Started right up, surprisingly. It's a good engine. Put some fresh oil in it, fresh gas. And, yeah. And this one over here is my 10 horsepower Subaru Robin engine. This one, actually, I got it running yesterday. It needed some work. It wasn't getting spark, and I got spark to it, changed the oil, cleaned out the carburetor, and she fired right up. So this one is the Manco Phantom, so it's a lot bigger than the Vortex. It's got the bigger engine on there too. This one's my project, so I just need to do the seats. It's missing a shock here, and what else did I want to do to this? Put new tires on it. I'll do more videos. This is my first video ever, so stay tuned, subscribe if you want. And yeah, 2 Mancos, I think 2004. And these are hard to come by, actually. So I did a lot of searching on Craigslist for these, and stumbled across them, and yeah, here they are.